Hey, Mike here from learndevops.com.au. In this video, I want to present to you 10 questions about Linux. Now, these questions are aimed at the sort of interview sort of stage. So it's a bit of a junior sort of intermediary knowledge. But these questions are great if you're either going to be interviewing someone about Linux, or if you, as someone who's going to be getting interviewed about Linux, are wondering whether or not you have the knowledge it takes to pass that interview. We're going to go over 10 questions, but I'm not going to give you the answers in this video. Do that in a future video, or if you head on over to the Discord, we can have a conversation there as well. Okay, so we're not going to get the answers here today. We're just going to get the questions. Question 1: what are the different layers of Linux? Question 2: explain briefly about 3 popular Linux shells. Question 3: what is the command used to get a guide on how to use a command? Question 4: how to get a list of currently running processes and resource utilization in Linux. Question 5: what is a pipeline operator in Linux? 6: explain file permissions in Linux and how to change them. 7, there we go. What is a process in a Linux context? 8: what is the difference between a hard link and a soft link? 9: what is the root account? And before we get to 10, again, head on over to learndevops.com.au, hit that button to join the Discord, or head on over to the book, complete your free resource on how to stand up an environment in AWS using Terraform, using Ansible, using GitLab. We even build CI pipelines to fully automate that. Give it a shot. Question 10: what is a shell script? Do you know the answers? Let me know in the comments below. Again, head on to learndevops.com.au, join that Discord, and maybe let me know on there. These are great questions because what they enable you to actually do is challenge yourself to see where your knowledge stands. And if you can't answer any of them, that's fine. What you do is you Google it, go and research it. It'll take you a few minutes, maybe even do one a day if you want to. Spend the next 10 days going over each question, do a bit of research, and by the time you're finished, you'll be a much better version of yourself and you'll know a little bit more about Linux. I've been Mike. This is another video for learndevops.com.au. I hope to see you on the Discord. Cheers.
Very nice.